There are approximately 500 million people in northern China, and they have a strong preference for stuffed foods, often enjoying dumplings, buns, and stuffed pancakes as part of their daily meals. These three types of foods can be transformed into hundreds of different flavors by varying the fillings, the type of dough used, and the cooking methods. Today, I'll give a brief introduction to 6 types of stuffed Chinese pastries, so you can get a glimpse of the culinary traditions in northern China. Dumplings, which first appeared in historical records over 1,800 years ago, have transcended their status as a simple dish to become a cultural symbol. In northern China, dumplings are a must-have during the Spring Festival, the most important holiday for Chinese people. On this day, families travel long distances to reunite and share a festive meal, with dumplings taking center stage at the reunion dinner. The dumplings commonly served in Chinese restaurants are usually boiled in water, which is the most traditional cooking method. However, today I will introduce you to some different cooking methods. One of these methods is pan frying, which requires careful control of heat, especially when cooking dumplings. Pan-fried dumplings have a unique texture compared to boiled ones. Their outer skin is fried to a golden crisp, making them even more flavorful. The second type of dumpling is one I mentioned in my breakfast video, steamed dumplings. Steaming is a common cooking method in Chinese cuisine, often used for larger dumplings. Unlike the typical dumpling made with wheat flour, these dumplings have a dough made from cornmeal, giving them a coarser texture. However, the cornmeal imparts a unique flavor, adding a distinct taste to the dumpling. Cornmeal dumplings are usually filled with vegetables rather than meat, as the vegetable filling pairs better with the cornmeal wrapper. In fact, the most typical food in China that uses steaming as a cooking method is the baozi. The main difference between baozi and dumplings lies in how the dough is prepared. Baozi dough is fermented. Baozi are usually most delicious when filled with meat. After fermentation, the dough is steamed, resulting in a very soft and fluffy texture. The dish we're making now is called rubing. It's one of the most challenging to prepare because it's difficult to ensure that the filling doesn't get squeezed out when flattening the dough into a pie. A well-made rubbing should not have any tears in the dough, so the steam generated during cooking can puff it up. Keeping the filling sealed inside is crucial for ensuring that the robing remains juicy when eaten. Now, let me introduce a cooking method that combines both frying and steaming. This dish is made by finely chopping bok choy and radish, then mixing them with cornmeal. Water is added to create a batter, with some salt stirred in to enhance the flavor. Take a look at this hole. This is where the hot steam will rise. The pan is heated from below, so the bottom of the corn cake is fried until it's golden and crispy. Meanwhile, the top of the cake is cooked by steam, which keeps it soft and tender. This cake isn't particularly delicious, but being able to turn such simple ingredients into something like this is a skill in itself. This corn cake was a staple food in China during times of poverty, and many older people still long for its taste today. It's very affordable. One corn cake costs only about $0.20. The last stuffed dish I'm introducing is called wonton, a popular breakfast food in China. Wontons have less filling compared to dumplings and are typically filled with just meat. A good bowl of wonton soup isn't just about the wontons themselves. It's also about the quality of the broth. The wontons are cooked in a rich bone broth with some vegetables and an egg added to the soup. This way, a bowl of wonton soup offers a perfect combination of flavors with savory broth, tender meat, fresh vegetables, and a soft-boiled egg, making it incredibly delicious. Stuffed foods are an essential category in Chinese cuisine, and what I've shared today is just a small sample. If you're interested in learning more about Chinese food, I'll continue to update this video series. Thank you for watching.